Hey guys, good morning. Happy Tuesday. So, I know I have been pounding this in with the Chat GPT, but guys, it is more amazing. Like the more you dig into it. So, I'll be honest with you, I probably downloaded Chat GPT maybe a year ago and it just didn't come natural. And I was like, I don't think so. So, I just didn't do it. And it was because I didn't know that I needed to tell it some about me. So the stuff that it was giving back to me wasn't anything about me. So I know I've already done a video before on Chat GPT, but I'm going to show you guys another one. This one just completely blew my mind, and I want to share it with you guys. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen, share screen so I can show you guys everything. Entire screen share. Okay. Hopefully you guys see it now. I won't be able to see it, so it's okay. So I'm going to go to Chat GPT, and the purpose of today's training video is going to show you how to easily do your interactive post for the whole month. So I'm in Chat GPT. I've already done one over here. You can see April financial tips. That's for my bookkeeping business. Ta-da! So now we're going to go here. We are in Chat GPT. Please create 40. I'm going to say 40 because I always want to have extra. It gives me some choices. Okay. 40 April, um, April funny puns posts. I don't know. Um, for my Scentsy business page, period. Um, no bolding, no, let me not say bolding. Let me say no bolding of text because I don't want it to show up that way. No reference to specific, ooh, I can spell today, to specific dates. Let me get my little space there. No emojis. And please do not number them. Okay, let's just see what we get. And I love how fast this goes. And I'm going to tell you that I did one in my bookkeeping business and I let it generate the actual picture for me. And I loved the picture, but it took forever. So I'm going to show you an easier way. So I'm going to just kind of read through these. I put the scent in, accidentally spent my paycheck on Scentsy again. I love that. I tried spring cleaning, but got distracted sniffing all the bars. The warmer's hotter than my coffee. That's saying something. Ooh, I don't think I like these. Allergic to pollen, not to fabulous fragrance. Okay, I love that. Florals for spring. Oh, yes, please. No, I don't like that one. You can control the weather, but oh, you can't control the weather, but you can control how good your laundry smells. Okay, so this is why I did 40 because this is going to give me some options. That's not a glow up. That's just my Scentsy warmer. So these are just fun stuff. So once you allow them to create it, which you see how quick it was, you're going to go down here and you're going to hit this copy button. Okay. Then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to open Canva. Y'all, I have a really old computer and Canva doesn't like it because it can't be updated. So it always brings me to this old one and I always have to start over fresh again at home. But that's just the way it works. While I'm here, I'm going to show you the one that I just did for my bookkeeping business. And it was kind of my test run to make sure that it was going to work. But look at this. I mean, you're going to see how fast this goes. But it literally just made all of these for me. Like, I am so excited about it. But for now, I'm going to go to home. I'm going to click on create a design. I always do mine a custom size of 2000 by 2000 pixels. That's just what I do. So you're going to create the 2000 by 2000 pixels. You're going to wait for my slow computer to come up because she's old like me. And then I'm going to search templates, and I'm going to just search spring because so you can see this is the one I did for my bookkeeping. So what you're looking for, oh, that one's kind of cool. Ooh, I like that one too. What I'm looking for is something where I'm going to be able to put this set of words in, if that makes sense. And they're going to be easy. I kind of like this one. I'm going to keep looking just to see. That one's kind of nice. I think I'm going to go back to that other one because, oh, those are pretty too. Oh, gosh darn it, Becky. This is the problem, is finding the one. I'm going to go totally different. I'm going to go with this one. So I want to change a few things around. So I'm going to move these. I'm going to, oh, wrong one. I'm going to group them together, these two here, and I'm going to move them up to here. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to move it up and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And I don't think I like this font, so I'm going to find a different font. I really like this one. This is the same one I used. And then I'm just going to increase the size until I get it to where I think I like it. I think that's perfect. So it's important right here that you set this up. And I think I'm going to change this hello to this same font down here, just because I don't like that Merriweather so much. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to make it bigger to get it to where I want it. And then that way it kind of, goes in with it as well. So there we go. Hello, spring. And then might move. No, I'm going to leave it there. Okay. I feel like this is big enough writing. It's 96, which for that particular font. But here's where the cool thing comes in. Okay. You're going to go back to your Chat GPT. It has all of them here. Excuse me, all of them here. You're going to hit copy, which is this little button right here. And then you're going to go over. Now, I'm going to use Google Sheets. If I was on my regular PC, I would use Excel just because that's what I know. You can see here where I did my April bookkeeping ones, but I'm going to do a blank spreadsheet. I'm just going to go in this first little box here and I'm going to paste them. And I did not even pay attention. Okay, paste. Go. There we go. Oh, I don't know why it gave me extra spaces there, but that's okay. Okay, and good. It did not number them. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this because I don't need that. I'm going to make this wide enough so that they're all in there. And then because mine came up this way, I don't know why it did. I'm going to sort it to get rid of all of the things in there. So now it's sorted like so. Okay, there we go. So now that I have these, I'm going to go ahead and name it. And this is going to be April 2025 Fun Posts. Because I'm going to do another one that's based around more interaction. But this is the one I want just for my business page, just to put stuff there. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this one. And I'm going to share this one in the group if any of you guys want to use it. So I have my first one there. And oh, I forgot to get rid of this because it tells you that. Okay, see right here, it gave me that option, but we're gonna go ahead and get that. Oh, look at that! When life gives you lemons, melt sweet lime and peach and call it a day. That's freaking awesome, y'all. Okay. Hopefully, I forgot to take out that bottom one, so hopefully that's not going to mess me up later, but it's okay because you can see I have 40 of them there. Then you're going to go up here and you're going to click File. And in my case, I'm going to download it. If you're on a PC, you're going to do a file save as. But because I'm on a Mac, mine is a download to get to this comma. You want it to be a CSV file, okay? So I'm going to save it as a CSV file. I'm going to go ahead and open it's going to look like. And again, for you, when you do a save as on a computer, it's a lot different than a Mac. So for me, I'm just going to move it. And I haven't figured out where I'm going to put it yet. So I'm going to go to my desktop and figure out, oh, I got to go to other. I got to figure out where I want it because I did not have that ready yet. So let's see, desktop. Rusty Touch. I'm going to go, I'm pretty sure I have one down here for social media posts. Let me find them, get to the S's. SO, social media post. And then I'm going to go to April because I'm doing these for April. And then I'm going to create a new folder and call it monthly MON. There we go. Monthly, Jiminy Cricket, y'all. Monthly business page posts. Okay. And I'm going to create that and I'm going to save them there. And it's important that you know where you save them. But are y'all ready for the magic? You're not ready for the magic. Watch this right here. So now I'm over here. Okay. In case you didn't know, and I'm assuming everybody has this, but if you go to apps and then I think it's called bulk create. I did not know about this 6 months ago. And I just think this is the most amazing thing. So right here, I'm going to go to bulk create. Now, right here, I want to upload data. This is important. And this is why it's so important that you know where you saved it. And here's my CSV file of my April 2025. So I'm going to click on that. And now it's telling you right click an element in your page to connect it to your data below. So I'm going to go over here because I want it to be here. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to click connect data. Okay. And then connect data. Yes, right here. And I should have named that differently because now it's picking up the first one, but that's totally okay. And then I'm going to hit continue. And I want it to do all pages. So it's going to generate 39 designs because the first one doesn't really count as a design, but that's okay. It's going to work out. If I had named it properly and left that first one in there, it would have started with that, but that's okay. All right, so now look at that, guys. It just made all of my posts for me. Now, after looking at this, I'm realizing that this here can definitely be bigger. So I'm going to see how difficult. Okay, so I can change them all to 144. I'm going to make a note of that because I might delete all of these and go back and make that bigger. I think that's the way to go. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me go back to my home. And so this is a learning process for me. This is only the second one I've done, but I realized very quickly that I need that to be bigger. So I'm just going to go right back. Watch how easy this is, y'all. As soon as my computer catches up, I'm going to go right back to this one. And there may be an easier way, but for me, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it, move it to the trash because I don't want that one no more. And then I'm going to create another design just like I just did, custom size. This way you guys will get to see it twice. How about that? Okay, so now I'm bringing that back up because for me, this is just easier. Not even going to lie to you. So I'm going to search spring templates. The one that I just had is right there. Look at how easy. I'm going to go right back. I'm going to connect these two, move them up like I had them before. I'm going to change this to the same font that I had before. And now I know I need it to be 144. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I just wasn't sure how big I needed it to be. So I'm going to go there. I might make it a little bit bigger just in case, or a little bit wider, I should say, just in case some of them are, I don't know, longer, I guess. And I'm going to go ahead and just make this one however I want it initially. Okay, I got a hello spring now. I'm going to try to bring that down a little bit. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to go to my tools. Let me see if my bulk upload is there. It's not. Oh, I'm sorry, apps. It was under apps. Let's see if it just shows up automatically for me. It should. I would think it would. Nope, it didn't. Okay, that's okay. I'm just going to type it in, bulk create, and I'm going to let it do its thing. And here we go. And I'm going to upload data again. I already have my April right here. Now it's telling me to right click, connect data. And that's the one I want. And I'm going to hit continue. and I'm going to create 39 designs. Guys, look at how easy this is. I just love this. Now, after it creates, so there we go. Now they're all bigger and I love them. So now I'm just going to go to the top and I'm just going to kind of look through them and make sure that they are exactly how I want them. Um, and I'm going to go from there. So for this particular set, I'm going to share them with y'all in the group. Keep in mind, I have not looked through them yet to make sure everything is perfect. I am going to keep going. Like this one here, I would probably change up a little bit because I think this dash needs to be behind people. But look at that. I don't chase people. I chase new catalog sense. I just love that. And all you have to do to get that was that little simple moving it over. So, excuse me, there may be little ones, same thing here. That little dash is just supposed to be at the top. And so, okay, I'm going to make this one. There we go. Instead of making that one, I think I'm going to maybe even just end up right here if I get the cursor there. There you go. So you may have to go in and kind of get them to where you absolutely want them. But guys, look at how easy this is. So I'm going to go ahead and end this. Let me stop sharing my screen and let me get back to StreamYard here. I hope you found this helpful. I hope this gives you inspiration. Look at that, 16 minutes, and I've already created 80 posts, 80 interactive posts. That's how easy it was, guys. And this was doing it with training. If you just had your head down and you were going at it, and then all you got to do is post them. Gosh, I'm so daggone excited about this. So that's all I got for y'all today. I hope this is amazing. I know today is the first. It's a crazy Scentsy day for me because the first always is. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting the rest of my work done and get my interactive post posted. I'm going to post these in the group. But here you go, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this. Y'all have a great Tuesday. Bye.